Today we're going to learn about 时间. 时间 means time. Look at these two characters. They both have the character 日. Let's have a look at 时. Okay, the left part is 日, is sun. The right part, look at the original picture, actually means a point very close to your hand. It means very, very short. So when Chinese people invented this character, they probably want to express the idea that the time is really short. You have to make the most of it. It kind of makes sense, okay? The second character, 间, 间, the original character is like the door. Outside part is the door, 门. Inside is 日, okay? The sunlight goes through the door. It actually means space. So 时间 is time. When we express time, like including the year, month, date, and a day, all we need to use is numbers, okay? So you need to be quite familiar, right, with numbers. Let's have a quick review, okay? From 1 to 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at the characters, 7 and 9. Now, many of you get confused with these two characters. Now, they have different directions, okay? Practice a few times, then you will remember. So let's look at the year. How would you express the idea of year, okay? Year 2000. Now, 年 means year. And opposite from the English order, we always put number first and then plus the year. So for year 2000, we say 2000年. And you notice I didn't say 2000. I just expressed the numbers one by one, okay? 2000年. That's how you say it in Chinese. Very simple. Have a look at some more examples. The London Olympic is this year, 2012. Now, you don't have to say 2012. What you need to say is say the numbers one by one. You say 2012年, okay? 2012年. Look at the year on the Chinese RMB. Look at the arrow pointing. Year 2005. Okay, this note is obviously produced in year 2005. We say 2005年 2005年. Look at the coins. These coins are produced when Hong Kong was back to China in year 1997. See, it's very confusing in English. Sometimes you say 2000, sometimes you say 1997. It's not like that in Chinese at all. You just say the number one by one. You say 1997年 1997年. So when Hong Kong back to China, it's in year 1997年. Okay? Go on, let's have a look at the months. 月 means month. Okay, we have learned 月 means the moon. So 月 also means the month. Now, let's have a look at, it's very easy. Same as year, you just put number plus 月 represent the months. So spring is 3月 3月, the third month of the year, March, okay? The summer is 6月 6月, 6 months of the year, June, okay? It's June. Autumn, fall, it's the 9th month of the year, so it's 9月 9月. The winter is 12月 12月, December, the 12th month of the year, okay? That's how you express the months. Next one, go on to date. Date, we say 日 or we use 号. The difference is 日 most appear in written language. So when you write down the date, sometimes you will write 一日, okay? Now, but when you're speaking, most often we use 号, okay? So for example, January 1st, the first day of the month, we say 一号. 1号, okay? Personally, I would not use 一日, okay? 1号. The Easter Sunday, next picture, Easter Sunday is the fourth day of the month. So we say 4号, 4号, okay? Now, how to express Monday, Tuesday through Sunday? First, we have to learn this word, 星期. 星期 means week. Okay, look at these two characters. It looks very complicated. But if you separate them, it's very simple. Let's have a look. 星 means star. Okay, 星 means star. Now, this character, the top part is 日. Okay, the star kind of relates to the sun. Okay, the bottom part is 生. We have learned 生 as 学生 or 先生. So 生 is the pronunciation in this character. 期 means period. Okay, a period of the time. So we have the 期, the left part, the character is 期. You see, it represents the pronunciation of the character. The right part is 月, moon, and a month. Okay, relates to the meaning. Okay, to the meaning of the character. So 星期 together is week. So how would you say Monday to Friday then? That picture is very funny. Okay, so from Monday to Friday, very easy. You put numbers behind 星期. Okay, so 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五. Okay, the first day of the week, the second day of the week is Monday, Tuesday. Okay, now here has a question. From Monday to Saturday, we all can use 星期 plus the number, but not for Sunday. That's the only exception you have to remember. Okay, if you use 星期 plus number to express Sunday, it would be 星期七. The last two characters are exactly the same pronunciation. It's very confusing. So we use a different character to replace the number 七. We say 星期天. 天 means day. Okay, the day of the week. Okay, 星期天 as Sunday. So that's how you say from Monday to Sunday. Okay, read it once by yourself. Okay, let's move on. So what is the order of the date? Okay, when you're expressing the year, the month, the date, and the day. So what kind of order you should put them? Now remember one thing. In Chinese, everything is from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, from biggest to the smallest. So in this group, year obviously is the biggest. Okay, and goes to year, month, date, and day. Okay, year, month, date, and day. That's the order. So let's have a look at one example. So how would you say the date, the exact date? Look at the first picture, blue one, on the left corner. Okay, so it's 2008, March 31st, Monday. Now you would say 2008年3月31号星期一. Follow the order, okay? 2008年 year first, 3月 month, 31号 date, 星期一 the day. Okay? So I want you to practice with the last 4 pictures. I want you to tell me the date, the exact date in Chinese characters, and also write down pinyin as well, so I know how would you say it. Okay, so write down both characters and pinyin for the dates on the last 4 pictures.